cool. Be careful. Oh, yeah, it's close. Oh!
Oh, it's pajamas!
Awesome, Alex.
Cool. Ninjago pajamas.
And Ninjago shorts.
Yep, it's plain Kai shorts.
Cool, Alex.
Ninja. Oh.
Yeah.
Pajamas.
Ninjamas.
He's still running, Mama.
Last present.
The last melon.
Biggest one.
Oh, yeah. So the biggest one left the best.
Okay. I love these wrapping papers. Yeah, just flip it off. That'll be
Pull it out. There you go.
Oh, the card says,
Grandmama. They're
Alex.
watching Grandmama.
to Alex from Grandmama. Another one in a box.
Oh, they're probably, if they're square, they're going to be in a box, or they are a box or something. Thing is supposed, the wrapping for it is in the multi-tool. The multi-tool. No, there's tape on it.
No, but the other.
Oh, never mind. You can just pull it. Maybe. More Ninjago stuff. Oh, Iron Man.
Oh man.
Oh, cool.
Look
Look,
at
Alex.
Avengers truck. Baby.
Oh, Alex, you can transform it into 8 different vehicles.
Trucks.
What?
Yeah.
Pajamas.
More pajamas.
Wow, wait.
More Ninjago stuff. And
Oh,
then,
he's saying it.
awesome.
T-shirts. Okay.
Look at that. And he also got these two, and they're like little
Those
trucks
are
that can
all for
transform into
ninjas.
8 different vehicles.
There's all 4 ninjas.
Cool. That's a great T-shirt.
It's
Let's see it out. Hold it up where I can see it for the camera.
alright.
Because it glows in the dark, too.
Yeah.
Ooh,
cool.
that is awesome.
Yeah, baby. Let me see that one, Mom.
Can I see it?
Spider-Man. You see Avengers, Alex?
Yeah,
the
can
red
I see
one
the
right there.
adventures? Right there. Awesome.
Hawkeye.
Really
Let me just take
cool.
off this thing.
You racked up with sweet grandma.
I know. Happy birthday